Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Tumblr. Keep watching the video till the end, without skipping, in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking Open a web browser. In order to log into Tumblr, in the search box type in www.tumblr.com and press the Enter on your keyboard. Soon after you reach the home screen of Tumblr, click on the Login button in order to log into your account. You can also go and enter your email address in the text field that you see. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up at the upper right and start by creating a new account for yourself first. Once you have an account, you can easily enter your email in the text field. Type in a valid email address that you used during the sign-up process. After you do that, click on the Next button, and the password box will now appear. Go ahead and type in the password that you created during the designer process. Now click on Login, and soon after you do that, you'll find yourself on the home screen of Tumblr. That is how you can easily log into Tumblr without any kind of a problem. All you need to have is the correct email address and your password, and you'll be good to go. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.